All right, let's launch this thing.
Home point refreshed.
All right, let's just gonna hover around for a little bit. Yeah, control. Okay, I think. All right. I think we're good to go. Let's go to the maximum height, which is 120 meters. Almost there. Well, not even halfway actually. 50 meters, 60. 80. $100 meters.
The flight height limit has been reached.
All right, let's go forward and see how far we can go. I mean, we should be above those towers. Well, let's point the camera down a little bit. Can't really see the drone anymore. I mean, the sky is not clear, so. About 300 meters, signal's still good. Battery is at 90%. We're not going pretty fast. It's like about 6 meters per second. Let me turn a little bit. Yeah, we should be definitely above those buildings. If we're gonna have to avoid them, well, then we shouldn't be going that way because, you know, I'm trying. When it loses signal, then obviously it's gonna return home. But it's probably gonna do a direct path, right? And you know, it doesn't have obstacle avoidance, so it's not.
Please connect the drone.
It already lost the drone.
Returning. Connected.
No.
The flight height limit has been reached.
Not sure what happened there. We were not even that far away, so well, let it return and then we'll try again. I can hear it now. Yeah, it's above me. Let's just cancel it and let's go turn around again. Look at all that snow. Alright, that's pretty much the same direction towards the park, and let's book it. now we're at 80%. State of charge. It should still be good in sort of in terms of capacity. You can still see it. meters, just over. Man, it's just a speck. For 30 meters. GPS signal is strong. It's freezing cold too, so I don't know if that would affect the range. I should have worn gloves. Just over half kilometer, well, 0.6 kilometers now. The signal is still pretty good, so I don't know what happened earlier where it just went back. It's either some interference around me at that moment, but right now everything's pretty good. It's 73% battery, just over 800 meters. Let's look down a bit. There's a lake. It's nighttime. There's Christmas lights. Ooh. Okay, our RC signal just dropped a bit. Oh no, it's still good. Oh no, it dropped then. Oh, we're over 1 kilometer now. I'm just adjusting the direction a little bit, making sure I'm not gonna hit those towers. Alright, we're down to 2 bars. We're at 1.25 kilometers. As you can see, it's already warning me about weak signal strength for video. Alright, RC signal went red. Are we gonna hit 1.5 kilometers? Oh yeah, we did. Let's look down a bit. Let's look at this construction going on. He's 64% battery. Okay, the signal for video is not, it's pausing. We're still above the building there, so that's good. Alright, so we're pretty much in the clear. We don't have to worry about any obstruction now, as long as...
Please connect the drone.
Oh.
Connected. The flight height limit has been reached.
We're almost at 2 kilometers, but the video is just not working right now.
Please connect the drone.
Okay, I think we just lost signal.
Returning. Connected.
1.9.
The flight height limit has been reached.
That's not bad. Okay, let's stop this beeping. Oh, it's coming home. It's not bad. Just under 2 kilometers. As long as we don't hit any like birds, yeah, there shouldn't be any problem. It's funny, the video signal is still weak, even though we're at 1.5 kilometers. Okay, let's look down at this park here. Over. That's cool. I'm just letting it drive itself home. Enjoying the view here. It's starting to snow. Not strong enough though. Look at those mountains. Can I actually turn? Is it gonna do anything? What? Still cannot see it. No, those are birds. It's a drone. I mean, I know it's fine, but I can't see it. Oh, I see it now. Oh man, it's booking it. Ah. Yeah, I'm hearing it now. There's also construction near my house, so it's hard to just hear the drone on its own. Alright. I wonder how good it is at land at the existing spots. It launched. I have to tweak it when it's a little bit lower. %. Do I tweak it? Oh yeah, it's a little bit off. Nice. Good job.